Welcome to this video, guys. In this video I'll show you how you can use a free download manager as an alternative to internet download manager. I've been currently using this and the speeds are similar, and there are some other features not present in IDM that I can use in free download manager. So let's see how you can set this up. First, go to this URL here, freedownloadmanager.org. I'll have this link in the description below. You can just click on this and you'll be taken here. Click on download and this will be downloaded for your Windows system. After the download is complete, we will install this and we will set it up in our Chrome or Edge browsers. Once the download is complete, go to wherever you have downloaded the file, or just press Ctrl J together and your download history will show up, and click on the FDM setup file, and now your installer will open. Just click on install for all users or install for me only, according to whoever you want this application to be useful for. So I'll just choose install for all users. If you're asked, do you want to allow this app to make changes, click on yes, click OK, and this is where I'll install free download manager. If you don't have storage left in C drive, just click on browse and choose any other storage directory. Click on next, click next again, and you can keep this checked. This will create a shortcut on your desktop for FDM. And finally, click on install and your FDM installation will start. Let's wait till the installation is complete. Once the installation is complete, you will be directly redirected to this congratulations page. Now you can just close this. Now let's go ahead and add an extension for Chrome. Now just open a new tab, search for Chrome extensions, and click on this first result. Here, search for free download manager. Hit enter and you will see this. Now this is the icon here for free download manager, and it has 4.6K ratings. Click on this and just click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension, and now as you can see, it has been added to Chrome. Now to download a file using free download manager, just go to any website where you want to download files from, right click on the file and click on download with free download manager, or just click on the file and it will be automatically downloaded using free download manager. Now as you can see, you get to choose where you want to download the file. Just click on download and your file will be downloaded. This is a very good alternative to free download manager, and go ahead and try to use it. It has extensions for Chrome, Edge and Firefox. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.